Okay, you can see that I've finished sort of stitching the initial stitching for these elements. It looks a lot different now that we're stitched down. I mean, here I just made a turned mask and left a space. And here I've actually just used a small invisible stitch to letting this be ragged, just to glue it down. And I have used turned a lot here because I just liked the clean edge here and how the overlap created that crescent moon. So I've got lots of variations. I actually cut a hole in this applique and then appliqued it from the other side and turned it in so it becomes like a ring for other variations. But I've also got this space here because I took one of them off. I didn't really like the color of that piece. But now that I've got the space there, I'm thinking two things. I could just draw a ring here and stitch this one in as a variation. But I don't know, on a whim I've decided that I should just write the word space. Simply because that popped into my mind. So, you know, writing and words is another thing that you can use. You could even do a word sampler, you know. A lot of the old samplers were words. But now I'm adding a new layer. I'm drawing on the cloth and I'm ready to get into some stitch techniques.